What's up? Welcome to another trade recap. Today I took two pretty mid trades that got stopped out at break even, and yeah, let's get into the chart. Okay, today we had no news, and my bias coming into the day was definitely bearish because on NQ we had this big opening gap that still needed to get filled. And on ES, even though we already filled it, we had some low resistance liquidity over here that are still good draws on liquidity. And then coming in to market open, we saw a giant rip of price. And what I wanted to see was price manipulate up and then see if we can get a rotate down with some confluences to enter. But what ended up happening right when market open is we got super quick manipulation under these pre-market like kind of consolidation lows, as you can see. And then after this manipulation, and this happened on both indexes, my first trade was actually on NQ, we got a super big expansion leg. And this right here, honestly, looked pretty decent for my strategy. We got manipulation, expansion, and then a little retracement. But the optimal trade for my strategy would have been up here, and there was liquidity sitting right here. So the trade would have been just a bunch trade. And it was also a little before the window I like to trade in. I usually like to trade after 750. And so coming in, the first trade I took was at 755. And this trade was kind of just, it didn't follow my strategy really. I kind of just entered because we had a massive rip, and it was low-key a gamble, but we had a massive rip and I thought we were going to come up and take this 30-minute liquidity. But right after I entered, I knew it was a gamble, so I de-risked half my contract size and I just moved stop to break even instantly just to see if I could hit. And as you can see, it didn't. It hit break even pretty quickly. And then right after we hit break even, I was like, okay, maybe we can start seeing rotation back down, see if we can get some moves down, maybe a retracement, and get something out of that looks clean. But that didn't happen. And on ES, we made an SMT right here from these lows. And on NQ, we made an SMT. And again, this is not my usual trading. I don't even know why I did it. But we made an SMT and then we broke structure. And I really thought we wanted to hit these highs on ES. And right around here, after this consolidation, I thought to myself that I was just going to close the trade because it was a bad trade and I just didn't want to be in it. But I'm still trading paper right now, so I kind of just left. I just stayed in because like, F it, why not? I'm still trading paper because I'm not really confident enough with my trading to trade prop firms. And I turned 18 in a week, so I couldn't even if I wanted to, but still. And then as you can see, I got completely edged right here, almost hit TP and just got stomped out. But overall, price did follow my initial bias for the day. It came up, swept, made a manipulation leg up, and then rotated down to fill the gap on NQ and take out these draws on liquidity. It just didn't really happen early enough for me to be able to take a trade following my strategy. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.